How you doing, team? Ray here and here, and today is a great day because I've got some new kit. So for the last, I don't know, like 3 years, I've been riding around with a Quadlock on the bars of my bike, and the phone just goes, clips on there, or goes there. But one thing that's really kind of irritated me, and it's a little thing, I'm hyper conscious that this is a little thing, is on this particular bike, it's not centered, it's off to one side, and that's basically because the Tenere A07, the Quadlock can't mount on this section of the bar, it can only mount on this section, so it's just a little bit off to the left. And I've recently been thinking, hey, I've got an auxiliary bar up here on the bike, I wonder if I could use that, and it turns out I can. And what Quadlock have sent me is a vibration dampener, because yes, I've got an iPhone and Apple have said don't you mount your iPhone on the bars, but I've also got the scooter motorcycle mirror mount, which has a 10mm or a 16mm bar size, which is perfect for the auxiliary bar on the Tenere A07 or the mirror stems. So we're going to go from the fat mount to the skinny mount and mount the phone right up there. And I reckon that's going to be brilliant. I've seen it done. We'll give it a crack. I'll mount it up now, you can watch, and we'll go for a ride, I guess. Okay, so the mirror mount for the Quadlock. Everything you need is in the kit. Let's break it open and have a quick look. Oh, even comes with some stickers. Alrighty, so we've got 3 little sleeves here. These are for the different thickness of bars. We've got an Allen key, and we've got the Quadlock mount itself. Next up is the vibration dampener. Now this goes between the actual Quadlock itself and the mount to kind of quell any vibrations. Inside this kit you get another Allen key, some instructions, and the vibration dampener itself. Now this is a nice easy mounting system. It just has one screw in the middle here and a few teeth to hold it in place. So you pop your Allen key down the center and just screw it in. And now it's time for the Quadlock. So there we have it, Quadlock installed on the auxiliary bar of the Tenere A07. Looking forward to going out for a ride. Let's go.